Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to use the clone stamp tool. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is on the left side of your screen here, in the same section that your healing tool will be in, if you right click it, you can switch to your clone stamping tool. And then if you hold control and select an area, you'll notice that you can actually, the area that you clone stamped, oh, you hold control and click, you can notice that you can draw in the area that you clone stamped. So you hold that control on an area and then you can draw it somewhere else. So like, as you see, it wiggles it around so I can kind of see what I would be drawing as well. And yeah, that looks really weird. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a not Rust, a GIMP tutorial on this Rust picture. This is throwing me off. Thank you guys so much for watching.